I'm making Snickerdoodle Pumpkin Bread, cake mix, and my pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. My loaf pan, spritz it with oil. We're gonna spray it in our pan. Snickerdoodle, sugar, and cinnamon topping. We're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Right, here is my Snickerdoodle Pumpkin Bread. Oh, yum. I'm gonna loosen it from the edges. I think it's already loose, just make sure. Yep, it is. All right, then. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. Okay, we're gonna let this cool and then we're going to cut it.
It's a chunky slice. What is it?
Okay, it is Snickerdoodle Pumpkin Bread.
Didn't I just eat one of those?
No, you had the cake,
Oh,
not
okay.
the pumpkin bread. It's a different shape.
It's good. It tastes less sweet, except the topping is very sweet.
That's because this has less sugar than the other one.
Oh, see, I detected it. Very good.
So if you want something less sweet, this is a better way to go.